how to unlock or lock your keyboard in Windows 10 or 11. So what you're going to do to be able to first lock your on screen or your keyboard is you're going to hold shift, which is on the right side. So it won't work if you did it on the left side. So you're going to have to press shift over here for at least 8 seconds. So it will turn on filter keys. So let's wait for a beep to appear. So there will be a beep sound, and this is what would appear, as you can see, which is the filter key. If you click on yes on this, it will basically lock your keyboard, and if you try to press or type anything, you won't be able to utilize your keyboard. Now, to be able to disable this, it's going to be an exact same process where you're just simply going to hold your shift key once again, and this thing will similarly appear on your screen, and you're just simply going to click on no, I think. So it's just going to be the same process, which will allow you to unlock it again. But that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.